How to manage who can see your future posts on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your future posts on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and now click this one, posts, and now just click this one, who can see your future posts, and click here, and now all you need to do just click this one, and here you can manage who can see your posts, and then just post it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.